Today we're heading north to the culinary capital of the Philippines, Pampanga, to try out Aling Lucing's Sisig in Angeles City. Aling Lucing invented this iconic pork dish that is loved by locals and foreigners alike, including the late celebrity chef Anthony Bordain. Simple lang ang sisig ni Aling Lucing. Tinagtad na ulo ng baboy na hinaluan ng sibuyas, walang toppings na itlog or halong mayonnaise pero malinamnam at malasa. Chewy ang texture ng karne at punong-puno ng smoky flavor dahil inihaw muna nila yung baboy. Medyo mamantika lang yung sisig nila pero expected na namin yun, pero baka hindi siya magustuhan ng iba. Overall, it met our expectations and our tummies were very satisfied. Balak sana namin pumunta ng Milas pero meron din palang tindang tokwat baboy si Aling Lucing. Masarap naman siya at hindi tinipid sa baboy. Masarap yung sukat toyo nila na lasang-lasa yung hinalong luya. Medyo mamantika din, so yun na nga. To take a break from all the fat, we ordered a refreshing plate of paho salad mixed with salted eggs and tomatoes. Their vinegar dressing is amazing. Umorder din kami ng chicharong bulaklak for dessert. Medyo makunat yung nakuha namin nung araw na yun, so di ko siya marirecommend. Thank you for watching the Daily Fill. See you on the next video.